If you guys can't tell already by the thumbnail of this video, I am so excited, guys. I have something here today. We've never done a video like this on such a big item, I should say, but it is here. I've been waiting so long for this, but let's get right to it. Let's open it up. Let's see what it is. Oh! Say rest in peace to all of these. Some stickers. Woo! Oh, I love stickers. Oh yeah. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, my hat. Hey, you know I love me some snapbacks. Thank you, Josiah. Thanks for the hat, brother. Control arm for the top, and god damn, this thing is beautiful. So when you order this kit, guys, you have the option to get it powder coated any color you like. So excited. So this is the front top control arm. What is this? This heavy. I think I know what this is. This is the arm. So this is our main lower arm. I believe this is what connects to the chassis and allows the whole length be spread. Wow, all this is built so nicely. I am so excited. I think I'm actually one of the only people in California with this kit. So if you ever see me around, ask me, I'll show you. Oh, look at this, guys. This is a heavy duty. Woo! Hot. So hot, just came out of the oven. So I think right now with everything going on, coronavirus and everything, guys, when I bought this kit back in Black Friday, so last year, and I had the money for it to pay, but I also found out they had a payment plan that they did with PayPal. I wanted to keep my original $1,800 that I had planned to be spending, so I did that. Didn't spend money for like 12-13 weeks. This kit ran me $1,800. I paid for it all myself. I want to tell you guys this right now. If you're watching this video and you're thinking about getting this kit right now due to coronavirus and what's going on, the Canadian dollar is less than the US dollar. So if you were to buy this kit right now, it will only cost you about $1,700 and like some change. I can't say this enough, and I'm sorry, like I think Josiah is losing money on this, but $1,800 for one of the best angle kits, I think. We'll see when I put it to test and abuse it. $1,800 for an angle kit that gives you more degrees of lock than any other angle kit out there right now is a killer deal. Like, I don't know how else to say it, but if you're looking to drift, this is something you definitely need. Just look at this. This is fire. And we haven't even got to the best part. Whoa! It's like an art piece. God damn. Look at the attention to detail, FDF. I can't even believe it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I plan on doing a lot more of these in the future, just because I have some other cool items that I have, some of them, and some of them are on the way that are coming for this car, and they're like this, you know, so it's gonna be cool. We'll do unboxing, but right now, right away, I'm gonna begin my install on the hydro so the Z can have this, or brake can be hooked up, and right away after that we're gonna be moving into this and hooking up this bad boy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, guys, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe. Guys, like I explained before, anything is possible. You can buy anything you want, you can get anything you want. Just gotta properly plan, be patient, and save for it. If you're able to do those things, you are in. You're gonna get what you want. And I have this paper right here, actually, my little sheet that I made when I bought this angle kit. What was the date? 11/28/2019. I made a down payment of $186. There was a fee of $35 for the plan I decided to do, so I paid $221. on the 28th of 2019, and that was Black Friday deal. Every month for December, January, and February, I paid $537 to FDF, which made it technically $135 a week. So at the end of the whole thing, I spent a total of $1,800 for this angle kit. Explained it before. It's a killer deal. If you wanna have this and carry it around like this, you're gonna spend that money. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Can't wait to use and abuse it. Thank you for watching again. Peace out, stay safe, and wash your goddamn hands.